When opening the hex-shaped steel fire pit, it will include a base, a fire bowl, log grate, lid, and hardware. Place the base and the fire bowl on their sides and line up the screw holes in the fire bowl with the screw holes of the base. Place a screw in the fire bowl and a washer nut in the base and tighten with a wrench and Allen wrench, securing the fire bowl to the base. Repeat this step for all 3 screw holes. Place the fire pit upright and insert the log grate. Insert the handle into the lid and tighten with a wrench. Set the lid on top of the fire pit and enjoy warmer nights.